likely to give you the following task. I'll say, I want a sentence that contains this, this, and this, and this in these positions, and then you create it. So for instance, here's a very easy way to do it. I want a simple sentence that contains a noun phrase as its subject. Right now you should understand everything that I just asked for. Who can create that sentence? Allie.
A bouncy monkey loved Mr. Clarkson.
Good.
What was it?
Bouncy monkey loved Mr. Clarkson. I love how happy this is. In third period, the bored student was sitting there doing something. That's great. All right. So let's remind ourselves of what we did yesterday. And let's see. Sam, why don't you give me the simple subject, core noun? That is correct. And Sam, what about the simple predicate, that verb? Correct. Monkey loved. So there we go. Remember, slash through the words that you diagram because you only diagram each word once. Diagramming adjective and adverb modifiers is extremely simple. All you do is drop the line diagonally from the horizontal attached to the word that it modifies. Explain what you mean by a repetitive word. Appears more than once. You always diagram it each time it appears. If I see the word monkey 3 times in that sentence, I should see the word monkey 3 times. Because chances are, Kevin, that the word may repeat, but its value in the sentence is different. Okay? That's it. This is all you have to do. A and bouncy are separate. They're not linked to each other. They are both linked to monkey. That sentence diagram has just told you something. It says monkey is the subject, loved is the predicate, A modifies monkey, bouncy modifies monkey, neither A nor bouncy modifies loved. In fact, in this case, nothing modifies loved. It stands on its own. Yes?
Where do you put your name?
Mr. Clarkson is the direct object. It's the thing being loved. So what I would do, and this is, once again, a subject for later lesson, but I will give Abby an indication of what's happening in the future. Remember that I said that nouns go on the horizontal lines? Horizontal lines figure nouns and verbs. Adjectives fall like this because they modify. So they're slave to something, they fall below it. But Mr. Clarkson is the direct object. That vertical line indicates a direct object position. Clay.
So if the sentence was, a bouncy monkey had loved Mr. Clarkson, would you draw a line down?
No, because had is a helping verb. So just like Mr. Clarkson is that compound word that goes together, I would write had on the line right there next to loved. Because in English it's 2 words, but really it means one thing. It's a modification of the verb loved. A tense and number modification of it. Okay? It's that easy. Let's add an adverb. Can you give me an adverb for loved? Happily. Obsessive. Happily, okay. Happily, obsessively loved Mr. Clarkson. I like it. There you go. It's pretty easy. If you remember that modifying words or phrases fall below the words that they modify in a diagonal line format. Okay? Yeah. Modifying words or phrases fall below the words that they modify by a diagonal line. Not a vertical line. And the diagonal line always moves to the right because we like right-handed people more than we like left-handed people.
Oh, yeah.
Not to the left. Have you not? Are you left-handed? Have you not? Okay, I'm sorry. I deserve that. Oh, I deserve that. Okay. Have you not noticed then a right-handed bias in our culture?
Yeah, it's everywhere.
Yeah.
Like the fact that we write from left to right, we're biased. We
It's unfair.
It's totally unfair.
Rings go on your
You
left.
you are a minority. What can I say? Yes.
The desk is set up like this, so
Yeah, that's right. We have very few desks.
Arm on this thing.
You should request a left-handed one. They have them. I'm serious. They have them.
Am I supposed to carry it around?
Huh?
Should I carry it around?
No. Tell every teacher I am disabled. I want. That's right.
Now I'm disabled.
Yeah, that's right. You say.
I'm a big left.
You say I am disabled. I want my left-handed desk. All right. Shh. File a discrimination lawsuit if they don't give you a left-handed desk. All right. I want. How about? Let's just do one more of the same sort of thing. I would like to have a sentence where we have a noun phrase as the subject. Brian.
The left-handed person asked for a desk.
Nice. There we go. The left-handed person.
Left-handed desk.
There you go.
first of Ed.
Isn't it so much pressure when you're typing? We say left-handed disabled. And then they're all like, oh.
The left-handed disabled person. We'll add that in.
Apparently that describes me. I'm just going to put Abby after left-handed desk.
It's great. I'm going to post this on YouTube and you'll share it with your parents. Look, I'm being oppressed. All right. The left-handed person asks for a left-handed desk. Now, one grammatical change, one mechanics change, actually, one mechanics change will change the diagram. Marissa, left-handed is a compound adjective. It deserves a dash.
Can we just say Abby? That's what I did. But left-handed again. Instead of left-handed person, put Abby.
No. Just, no.
No?
This is, I mean, you write the dash. Write the dash next to left over there. Dash and then delete. There you go. Okay, good. It makes a difference because otherwise we would place left in a different position related to the word handed. But left-handed is a compound word. A compound word means you treat it as one word. That's why the dash exists. That's right. Now left would be a adjective modifying handed, and then that would make a different diagram. But what we do is, well, let's see. Trevor, what is my simple subject?
Person.
Correct. What is my simple predicate?
Asked for.
Just asked. That's correct. No, simple subject is always one word. Oh, I mean, unless it's a compound. No, what? What were we saying, Kevin?
Would that go on the dash on
The will fall below person like this. And then since left-handed is one word, I will diagram in one line. Okay?
So if it's like left angry person, you just do two ones.
Correct.
Left angry.
Left angry. And you would actually have to consider, and we can do this problem tomorrow as we get into more advanced diagramming, but you must consider what left does. Is it modifying person or angry? Because if it modifies angry, it has to be attached to this line, not this one, because that will differ. I'm sorry, I'm recording this. It has to be attached to this line, not this one. If, for instance, let's say left, let's erase this. Interesting erasure, I know. Let's say that left was modifying handed. Adverbs modify adjectives, right? So let's say left was an adverb modifying handed.
These are going to be like huge, aren't they? Yeah.
Oh, go to